Hello literature lovers, today I am discussing few war poets. And when we are talking about war poets, who are war poets? And the definition is to be described as a poet who participates in a war and writes about their experiences, or a non-combatant who writes about the war. While the term is applied especially to those who served during World War I, that is the term. The term can be applied to a poet of any nationality writing about any war. There is not a compulsion about it, including Homer's Iliad from around 8th century BC, and in fact Old English poem The Battle of Baldon, and which celebrated the actual Battle of Maldon in 991, as well as poetry of the American Civil War or the Spanish War and the Crimson War and many others. It is part of all the wars, and most of the wars that are discussed by is the famous first comes the Jacobite Uprising 1745, German Revolution 1848, Crimson War, American Civil War, all are very famous. Boer War, World War I, which is mainly discussed. Next comes the Spanish Civil War, World War II, some other later wars. It is quite referred in all the context. But whenever we start talking about and the criteria which you there are many American poets and mainly which are referred here as you can see, and sometimes it is said it is quite related to America more and more, and sometimes it is biased towards a country, and it's sometimes more than patriotism and leads to jingoism, but it's part of it, and we discuss it. And there are different critics which talk about it, but here some of the greatest works which are almost quite pure and referred as much more better categories in the war. And if we take into consideration the World War I, these poets include Wilfred Owen, Robert Graves, Sassoon, David Jones, Robert Brooke, Tennyson, as you can see, and Edward Thomas was also discussed. And their work really combined the stark realism with bitter irony. And there is also a sense of tragic futility and related to the English history. That's what really matters. And the theme is quite clear on how we can portray the honor of the war, and we can tribute them, how we can commemorate their sacrifice. All these things are part of this war poet genre. So that's what the overall thing. And there can be any question, please do suggest and ask. Thanks for being part of it. Thank you.